Can't find clip art in Word? Microsoft moved it. I'll show you where it's hiding and how to add it in 30 seconds. So, you're working on a document and you want to add a little visual flair. Maybe it's a flyer, a school project, or just a newsletter that needs some life, and your first thought is clip art. But you click around and nothing. It's not there. Don't worry, you're not losing your mind. Microsoft didn't remove the feature entirely, they just upgraded it. What was once clip art is now something way better called icons, and it's built right into the newer versions of Word. Here's the plan. We're going to click on the Insert tab, then find the Icons button. From there, we'll browse the Illustrations category, pick the art we like, and drop it into our document. After that, I'll show you some quick formatting tricks so it looks perfect. Let's jump in. Alright, let's start with the Insert tab. This is the gateway for pretty much anything you want to add to your document, whether that's pictures, tables, headers, or in our case, icons. So go ahead and look at the ribbon at the very top of your Word window. You'll see a row of tabs: Home, Insert, Design, and so on. Click on Insert, and you'll notice the entire toolbar changes, giving you a whole new set of options. Now this next step is where the magic happens. On that Insert toolbar, look for a button labeled Icons. It's usually on the right-hand side, grouped with things like 3D models and smart art. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up a huge library of graphics that Microsoft has built right into Word. No more searching through random websites for clip art collections that might look dated. This is all modern, clean, and professional. So now that we've got the Icons window open, you'll see a few tabs at the top. You've got Icons, Illustrations, and maybe a few others depending on your version. Go ahead and click on Illustrations. This is the section that feels the most like the old clip art. It's filled with colorful, pre-made scenes and characters rather than just simple line art. Think of it as a collection of mini posters you can drop right in. Scroll through them and see what catches your eye. Here's where you get to make a choice. Browse through the options in the Illustrations category. You've got people doing things, animals, nature scenes, technology, all sorts of stuff. Click on the one you like. A simple left click will select it. You'll see a check mark appear in the corner of the image. And don't worry if you're not sure yet, you can always change it later. Once you've made your pick, look for the Insert button at the bottom of the window. Actually, in this case, it might say OK or Insert. Go ahead and click that. And just like that, the illustration appears right in the middle of your document. Pretty smooth, right? See? 30 seconds, just like I promised. Now, your illustration is probably not the perfect size or in the perfect spot yet. That's totally normal. Click on the image to select it. You'll see little circles and squares appear around the edges. Those are called handles. Click and drag one of the corner handles to resize the image while keeping it proportional. If you drag from a side handle, you might squish or stretch it, so stick to the corners. To move it, just click and drag the image to wherever you want it. The text around it will automatically reflow to make room. Here's one of my favorite parts. When you click on the image, a new tab appears in the ribbon called Graphics Format. This is your control center for everything visual. You can change the color of the illustration to match your company's branding or the theme of your document. You can add a border, give it a shadow, or even apply a glow effect. Play around with these options to see what looks good. The key is not to overdo it. 1 or 2 enhancements are usually enough to make it pop without looking cluttered. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of quick tips. If you want to wrap your text around the image instead of having it sit on its own line, right-click the illustration and choose Wrap Text. Tight or square are great options that give you a professional, magazine-style look. Also, if you ever need a simpler icon instead of a full illustration, just go back to that Icons tab and browse the Icons category instead. They come in solid and outline styles and are perfect for bullet points or headers. And that's it. You've gone from not being able to find clip art to adding beautiful modern illustrations to your Word documents in just a few clicks. With the step-by-step process I've walked you through here, you'll be adding visual flair to any project in no time. Thanks for watching and happy writing.